Ever notice your soap won't lather, your skin feels sticky after a shower, or your kettle has a chalky buildup? You might blame old soap or dry skin, but the real culprit is your water. The type of water from your faucet, hard or soft, affects everything from laundry to your morning tea. Understanding this difference can save you money and frustration. The water's journey underground determines if it's hard or soft, based on the minerals it picks up. Knowing your water type can transform your cleaning routine and protect your appliances. Let's dive in and decode the science behind the water in your home. By the end, you'll be a water expert, ready to spot the signs of hard water and understand what's happening in your pipes. So, what's the difference between hard and soft water? Rainwater starts out soft, but as it seeps through soil and rock, it can pick up minerals like calcium and magnesium. The more minerals it collects, the harder the water becomes. If you live in an area with lots of limestone, you probably have hard water. Soft water, on the other hand, comes from areas with rocks like granite that don't dissolve easily, so it stays mineral-free. Hard water isn't dirty or unsafe, it's just full of invisible minerals. In fact, those minerals are nutrients our bodies need. The real difference is how the water behaves with soap and in your plumbing. Geography and geology shape the water in your home. It's a chemical distinction, not a health risk. Here's where the science gets foamy. When you reach for your favorite bar of soap or pump of liquid cleanser, you probably expect a rich, satisfying lather. But have you ever noticed that sometimes, no matter how much you scrub, the bubbles just don't seem to form? Or maybe you're left with a sticky film on your skin or a cloudy residue on your bathroom surfaces. The culprit behind these everyday mysteries is the type of water flowing from your tap. The biggest difference between hard and soft water is how they interact with soap. Soft water, which is low in minerals, allows soap to dissolve and lather up quickly, creating those fluffy bubbles we all love. Hard water, on the other hand, is packed with minerals like calcium and magnesium, which react with soap in a completely different way. In soft water, soap lathers easily and rinses clean, leaving your skin smooth and refreshed. You'll notice your hands feel softer, your face feels cleaner, and there's no leftover residue. It's the kind of clean that makes you want to touch your skin again and again. And it's all thanks to the way soft water lets soap do its job. But hard water's calcium and magnesium ions bond with soap molecules, creating a sticky, insoluble substance known as soap scum. Instead of rinsing away, this scum clings to your skin, your hair, and every surface it touches. It's the reason your bathroom tiles get that stubborn white film, and why your hands sometimes feel tacky even after a good wash. That's the chalky film on your shower doors and the residue on your skin and hair. Over time, this buildup can make your bathroom look dirty, no matter how often you clean. It can even leave your hair feeling heavy and your skin less than fresh. Soap scum doesn't just look bad, it can clog pores, dry out your skin, and make your hair dull and lifeless. If you've ever wondered why your skin feels tight, or your hair seems harder to manage, hard water could be to blame. The minerals in hard water strip away moisture, leaving you with dryness and irritation. Hard water also reduces the cleaning power of laundry detergent, making clothes stiff and dishes spotty. Your favorite towels might come out of the wash feeling rough, and your glasses may have streaks or spots that just won't go away. Even your laundry can suffer, with colors fading faster and fabrics wearing out sooner. You end up using more soap and detergent, but get worse results. It's frustrating to pour in extra product, scrub harder, and still not achieve that sparkling clean you want. Not only does this waste money, but it also means more time and effort spent on chores that should be simple. It's not your products, it's the chemistry of your water. No matter how expensive your soap or detergent, hard water can undermine their effectiveness. Testing your water's hardness can reveal what's really going on behind the scenes. Hard water means more mess, more effort, and less clean. It turns simple cleaning tasks into ongoing battles, leaving you frustrated and your home less than sparkling. Soft water lets soap do its job, making cleaning easier, faster, and more effective. You'll notice the difference in every wash, from your hands to your laundry. That's the power of chemistry in your bathroom and laundry room. With soft water, you get cleaner results, less effort, and a home that truly shines. Hard water's biggest threat is scale. Those chalky, stubborn deposits you see in your kettle or on your faucets, but what you see on the surface is just the tip of the iceberg. Every time you boil water or run a hot tap, minerals like calcium and magnesium are left behind, slowly accumulating in places you can't see. These mineral deposits are also building up inside your pipes and appliances, forming a hard, crusty layer that clings to every surface water touches. Over time, this buildup narrows your pipes, restricts water flow, and can even cause corrosion, leading to leaks and water damage. When hard water is heated, the minerals become even more aggressive, forming thick limescale that clogs water heaters, coffee makers, and dishwashers. This scale acts like a barrier, making it harder for appliances to do their job efficiently. Think of scale as cholesterol in your plumbing system. Just as cholesterol blocks arteries, scale blocks pipes, reducing water pressure and making your entire system work over time. Appliances like your washing machine, dishwasher, and water heater have to work much harder, using more energy and wearing out faster. You might notice your clothes aren't as clean, your dishes come out spotty, or your showers don't feel as hot. All this extra effort leads to higher utility bills and more frequent costly repairs. The hidden cost of hard water adds up quickly, often without you realizing it. Water heaters, dishwashers, and washing machines are especially vulnerable. Scale buildup can cause them to fail years before their time, forcing you to replace expensive appliances much sooner than you should have to. Even smaller fixtures like shower heads and valves aren't safe. They can become clogged with scale, leading to weak water pressure, uneven spray, and even leaks that waste water and money. To fight back, you end up spending more on cleaning products, scrubbing away stubborn limescale, and performing extra maintenance just to keep things running. But despite your best efforts, the real cost is the shortened lifespan of your appliances. Hard water quietly chips away at their efficiency and reliability, leading to breakdowns and replacements. Most people don't realize that hard water is the hidden culprit behind so many household headaches. It's easy to blame the appliance, but the real problem often starts with your water. Scale is a slow, silent, and expensive invader. It creeps in over months and years, gradually taking a toll on your home's plumbing and appliances. Protecting your home starts with understanding your water. Testing your water quality is the first step to knowing if you're at risk and what you can do about it. Don't let hard water drain your wallet or your peace of mind. Take action now to safeguard your home, your appliances, and your budget from the hidden dangers of hard water. Move to a new region, and you'll notice the difference in water right away. People from soft water areas are shocked by hard water's sticky skin, dull hair, and chalky kettles. Those used to hard water find soft water makes their skin feel slippery after a shower. Actually, that's truly clean skin. We adapt our routines to our water, more detergent, frequent descaling, special dishwasher rinses. In soft water areas, you'll need less soap and detergent, otherwise you'll get mountains of suds. These changes show how much water chemistry shapes our daily lives. Geography and geology set the rules for our routines. Whether you're in the Midwest or the Pacific Northwest, your water changes how you live. Our environment shapes us, often in ways we don't even notice. Stuck with hard water? Not if you have a water softener. A water softener removes calcium and magnesium through ion exchange, swapping them for sodium ions. Hard water flows through a tank of resin beads coated with sodium. The beads grab the hardness minerals and release sodium, turning hard water soft. This protects your pipes and appliances and lets soap lather beautifully. Eventually, the beads need to be cleaned. A brine solution flushes out the minerals and recharges the beads with sodium. The process is automatic and keeps your water soft. Soft water means less scale, cleaner laundry, and longer-lasting appliances. It's a simple solution to a costly problem. With a softener, you control your water's chemistry. Science saves the day, right in your basement. Soft water isn't perfect, it has its quirks. The slippery feeling after a shower is just your natural skin oils, not leftover soap. Most people get used to it and even prefer it. Softening adds a small amount of sodium to your water, usually not a problem, but those on low-sodium diets should be aware. Many homes keep a separate tap for hard water to drink and cook with, preserving taste and minimizing sodium. The regeneration process uses water and salt, which can impact the environment. Some communities restrict certain softeners for this reason. Modern softeners use less salt and water, but it's still a trade-off. Soft water is great for cleaning, but consider the environmental impact. Water type even affects your kitchen. Hard water's minerals give it a crisp taste many prefer for drinking. Soft water can taste flat or salty, so many homes use unsoftened water for drinking. Hard water can dull the flavor of coffee and tea, while soft water brings out brighter, more aromatic notes. Cooking beans or vegetables. Hard water can make them tough and slow to cook. Soft water keeps them tender. The best setup is having both options. Hard water for drinking, soft for cleaning and cooking. Use chemistry to your advantage in the kitchen. The right water makes a difference in every meal. Taste, texture, and even cooking time depend on what's in your water. So, which is better, hard or soft water? The answer isn't as simple as you might think. Both types of water have their own unique qualities, and the right choice really depends on your lifestyle, your home, and even your personal taste preferences. Let's break down what makes each type special and why the debate between hard and soft water has been going on for so long. Hard water is packed with minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are actually good for your health. Many people enjoy the crisp, refreshing taste that these minerals add to their drinking water. In fact, some bottled waters are prized specifically for their mineral content. If you're looking to boost your daily intake of essential minerals, hard water can be a natural, easy way to do it. But there's a trade-off. Those same minerals that are good for your body can be tough on your home. Over time, hard water can leave behind stubborn limescale on faucets, shower doors, and inside appliances like kettles and dishwashers. Cleaning can become a constant battle against chalky residue and water spots, and your appliances may not last as long if mineral buildup goes unchecked. On the other hand, soft water makes life a little easier in the cleaning department. Without those extra minerals, soap and detergents lather up more easily, so you'll use less and get better results. Your sinks, tubs, and dishes stay sparkling clean with less effort, and your appliances are protected from damaging scale. Over time, this can save you money on cleaning products, repairs, and even energy bills. However, soft water isn't perfect either. Some people find that it tastes a bit flat or even slightly salty, especially if it's been softened using sodium-based systems. If you're on a low-sodium diet or just prefer the taste of mineral-rich water, this could be a downside. It's all about what matters most to you and your family. Ultimately, the best choice comes down to your needs and preferences. Do you value the health benefits and taste of minerals, or do you want the convenience and savings that come with soft water? Maybe you'll even find a balance, using hard water for drinking and soft water for cleaning. Now you're equipped to spot the telltale signs of hard water in your home, like white spots on dishes, or a chalky buildup in your kettle. These clues can help you decide if it's time to make a change. And when you see what's happening inside your pipes, you'll understand why water quality matters. Mineral deposits can slowly clog pipes and reduce water flow, leading to costly repairs down the line. Whether you decide to install a water softener, use special cleaning products, or simply adapt your habits, you're taking control of your home's water. Every choice you make is a step toward a healthier, more efficient household. By understanding the science behind your water, you're making informed decisions that benefit your family and your home. That's something to feel good about. Science helps us turn everyday mysteries, like the difference between hard and soft water, into simple facts we can use to improve our lives. Remember, your water is more than just H2O. It's shaped by the geology beneath your feet, the chemistry of your pipes, and the choices you make every day. From the elements on the periodic table to the way you wash your dishes, water science is part of your daily life, even if you don't always notice it. Use what you've learned today to make the best choice for your home, your health, and your happiness. Whether you stick with what you have or make a change, you're empowered with knowledge. That's the power of understanding the science in your sink, turning everyday water into something extraordinary.